Welcome back to Kevin's Trooper channel. Today we're going to be installing the Factor 55 Prolink. Now what I've done so far is I've backed my winch out a little bit. I've removed the snap ring so the titanium pin will come right out. Now it's real simple to do this. All we have to do is take our winch hook that's already installed, and we're going to remove the cotter pin. And once we get the cotter pin removed, there we go. Then once we get the cotter pin removed, all we have to do is real simple. Is pull the hook off. And the Prolink is going to go in. Now I'm going to install mine where the pin is going to be facing up, simply because if the snap ring ever fails, it's just, one more little safety measure that it's not going to want to fall out. And then all we have to do is reinstall the snap ring. And I had to do a little modification to my snap ring pliers to try to get this to go in there. And we'll just reinstall the snap ring. And you want to make sure that your snap ring seats in the groove where it goes. And once it does, then all you have to do is simply tighten the winch and leave it against the rollers. These things are really highly rated. Oh. Now once you get it installed, all you have to do is tighten the winch. Now, I talked to Smittybuilt, and they had said that, actually I talked to Factor 55, and they said that if the crimp that holds your chain is too tight to fit through your rollers, all you have to do is take a hammer and beat it flat so that it will go in there. Yes. That's cute. Now, back to our video.
You better tag me in the comments. I need credit.
There it is, guys. Looks awesome. Now, I fought with it a little bit because I really wanted this in the middle, just because I'm OCD about everything. But if you can see down in there, it's wound up fine. And I may have to straighten it just a little bit more. But man, that's better than having that hook coming out of there. Love the Prolink. All right, thanks for joining me. Appreciate you guys tuning in again. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get all my videos. See you next time.
And like.
And yes, I did fix it and put it in the middle because I'm OCD like that.